a little spice to your patio. Start here in one day for under $200. Use 2x2s and 2x6s for the frame. So now that we've attached the 2x2s to the 2x6s, let's attach the whole thing and make a frame. Every frame needs a finish. We're gonna take this fence panel from horizontal to vertical. Sandwich the fence panel in with another set of 2x2s for stability. Dig 2 holes 1 foot deep. To make it last, set it in place with concrete. Let's shift gears and make the planters. Screw on the hooks to the back. Time to get zesty. Let's plant. Now everything from your lemonade to your marinades will never be the same.
Start this project at DIYnetwork.com/start here. Brought to you by Lowe's.